Last week, I posted a video and for 5 days, nothing happened. All of a sudden on the 6th day, the video exploded. YouTube started showing it to everyone. Why? How did this happen? In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I did and what you can do to absolutely explode your channel. Let's get into it. So here we are on my YouTube channel. Now you can see that most of my videos get somewhere between 30 to 40, sometimes at 50 to 100 views. This last video saw over 1,000 views and counting. I want to show you exactly what's going on with this video. So at first glance, there's really nothing that special with this video. It's about how to hire a virtual assistant. I've got various copy in here. Of course, I've used affiliate tags in here, which is fantastic. If YouTube ends up showing this video for years to come, I can create income and revenue from this video for years to come, which is pretty amazing. Couple comments, nothing that special, but let me take you into YouTube Studio and let's look at the analytics of this video. For about 6 days, nothing happened. Then all of a sudden on August 12th at 3:45 in the afternoon, it started going. And over the course of 3 hours, it grew almost 15 times. Then over the course of the evening, it slowed down. And then first thing the next morning at 8:45, it blew up again. And it's still free. It's still going now. It's just YouTube keeps showing it to people. And you can see here that 99% of these views are coming from YouTube organic advertising. You also see that my normal videos are getting, again, roughly 35 views. This is getting 944 more views than usual. And the watch time, 67 hours of watch time. It's just blowing my mind. The audience retention rate, you can see, is not fantastic, but you know, if I have the average viewer watching 4 minutes, almost half of my video, to me, that's pretty good. But at the end of the day, I can use all the data, the analytics, and my knowledge of this video to record more videos, to reach more people, and to improve the quality of my content. But let me tell you exactly what I did to make this happen, because there's something very specific and very actionable that you can apply to your videos as well. So I'm here on the video details screen. You can see I've done the little things right, end screens, cards, etc. But it's all about the hashtags. When I first posted this video, for some reason, YouTube defaulted to my normal hashtags, which are all about podcasting and social media. But what I did is I used the VidIQ tool and I created hashtags specific to the video. Now watch this. This is an amazing tool, by the way. I'm going to put a link below for you. You got to have VidIQ. If you're serious about YouTube, you must have VidIQ. So this is what I did. I went into this keyword research tool and I typed in how to hire a virtual assistant. I can see that over 150,000 people every month are typing in how to hire a virtual assistant into YouTube. And ain't nobody posting this stuff. The competition is extremely low. But look at this. You got another 330,000 typing in virtual assistant, another 146,000 hire a virtual assistant, another 143,000 typing in hiring virtual assistant. There are millions of people every month going into YouTube and typing in questions about how to hire a virtual assistant. And the competition is extremely low now, unless of course you jump on the bandwagon. But here's the reality. By optimizing your hashtags with a simple tool like VidIQ, you can absolutely explode the market. You can guerrilla style take over the market. And right now, I'm just seeing incredible growth. This video is still going on a run, and I'm really excited to watch what happens in the days to come. Listen, this is actionable stuff. You can absolutely execute on this. Make sure that you have a tool like VidIQ. Keep working it, keep trying different things until you find what works. And I promise you, you watch this video, you watch this content, I'm gonna give you all the tools that you need to absolutely explode your life, your channels, your videos, your podcast. I'm giving you, here it is, it's free, take it. If you like this video, make sure that you like it. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And make sure that you subscribe. If you subscribe to the video, you're not going to miss out on any of the amazing content that's coming your way. Because I promise you, I'm here to help you explode your message and reach more people. My name's Mark. You've been watching Mark Savant Media, and I will catch you next time. Peace.